as we're getting ready to work on this little Chinese four-wheeler. It's not getting fuel to the carb, or it's getting fuel to the carburetor, but it don't want to run or nothing, so I'm going to take the carburetor off and clean it out. Take this carburetor top off. Water in there, it looks like. And you got two 10mm bolts right here that goes to the carburetor. Getting wet. Took the carburetor off of it. There was two 10mm bolts that went in through here that I had to take out, and then I had to take the top of the carb off. It just unscrews out of the top of it. And when I took it off, there was a the gasket is bad on it, and the adapter plate's busted on each side of it. They look like there's a little bit of water in the carb. Right here's the carburetor. The gasket, the O-ring's good on that side. Looks a little bit clean. I mean, it looks decent clean. Down inside of it looks clean. But I'm gonna take the bow off of it, and it takes two 4-way screws. Takes the bow off, one on each side, and then I'm gonna see what's inside of it and maybe blow the jets and stuff out and see, and then put it back on. And hopefully we don't have to use the adapter plate. I mean the spacer plate. We can just bolt the carburetor right up, and it seals to the intake. But we're gonna try that and see what it does.
This could show it is.
Take two 4-way screws out. Bigger 4-way here. I dropped one. That come out. Zoom in on this right here. You can't zoom in on this. Yeah. Make sure you get on the part so close to it. You want all this area right here.
Got it.
There's the flow off. It's got a little bit of stuff in it. It's got a little bit of stuff in it. Stop it there. It had some stuff come out of it, like old gelled up gas. I don't know if you can see it right here on the right. It's old gummed up gas. I'm gonna try to blow all the jets and stuff out on it and see if that helps it any. Got that good and clean. That jet's clean. There's still some gummed up gas in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this little rod out here. It takes the float off of it. Needle nose. Something to shove it through. Find me a little small enough screwdriver or something to shove it through. So if I do this screw, so I can get it out and be able to clean it. There we go. There's the pin that comes out. And the float and the needle valve just picks up. I don't know if you can see there's some gummed up gas in it. Take a little brake clean and wash it out. Got all the gummed up gas out of it. Take a 1-way screwdriver and pull this jet here out. So make sure it's clean. There's one jet. Right here's another jet. Bigger one for that one. There we go. Let the jet out. Clean all this out right here. That's clear. Okay, then we got 2 little adjustment screws on the side right here. I'm gonna count how many turns they in and out. High, there's 1 and high, 2, and about 1/4. I'm gonna back it out. It's right here. I'm gonna spray through here. That's clean. I'll put it back in. And what I do is I run it all the way down and then back it out 2 1/4 turns. Run it all the way down to it touches. You don't want to tighten it down. It touches right there. And you go, there's a high, there's 1, and a high, 2, and it's about 1/4 right there. And we'll do this the same way, this bigger one right here. And we'll run it in and count the turns. And here's only probably 1/4 turn. We'll back it out. It looks clean, but I'm gonna spray it out with some carb or some brake clean. Spray through the hole here. Okay, is clean. I'm gonna put it back in. And we'll run it all the way in. Back it out a quarter turn. So it's in. Back it out. Quarter turn. Okay. I'm gonna take and wash the go ahead and clean the jets out. These have got little bitty holes inside of the jets, and they gotta be clean. The jet looks like it's stopped up. Blow back through here. Some brake clean. Clear it out now. Okay, jet looks clean. Just jet back in. Snug it down. There that is. I'm gonna clean this one out. It's got a little hose in the end of it too. Got it cleaned out. I'm gonna reinstall it. Run it down to it snugs. It's snug down. Take this float and I'm gonna clean it off. Brake clean. It's got some gelled up gas on it. Stick the needle valve on. I'm gonna clean the needle valve off. Got it cleaned off. Stick the needle valve down in there. The hole. And then I'll have the pin. Got to raise this up to where the pin goes through it. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard to get in. You gotta get that float in there just perfect and lined up so the pin will go through it. So there it is. Got it together. There's a little bit more trash in the bottom of this. I'm gonna scrape it out with a screwdriver and then wrench it out. Make sure everything's out of it. I'll reach it out with the brake clean. reinstall the bow on it. You got your 2 4-way screws that goes on each side. Snug them down good. You don't want overtime because you break them off. And there's the carb cleaned out. Got the carb cleaned out. I had to put some silicone on this adapter plate or spacer plate because it cracked in one spot and the O-ring on the back side of it was trash. And I didn't have one fitted. I stuck the 2 10mm bolts in there to hold it on. And now I'm putting the carb in. And I'm going to take in get them bolts started and then tighten them down. Side here, make the easier here. You might want bolts on there. Some folks that wrong on carburetors. Make sure it's tight thing. Put that back on. That one feels like it's gonna strip out. I don't know if I got the nut to fit on it or not. See if this nut will fit on this because it feels like it's gonna strip out. Put a nut on this one here so it doesn't feel like it's gonna strip out. I'm gonna try to find one to put on the other side. Okay. Let's see if I can find one to put on the other side. Got that snowed down. Now, put this top back on it. Touch that silicone. Got hit on her snug. Now, make sure it opens up and shuts good, like it does. Okay, we're gonna put the gas tank on and see if she fires up. Gas tank there. Get the fuel line on without spilling much gas and just throw my face first in. Okay. Well, that's pretty good. Let's go on there. Under the there. There. Brakes open. Like try to take off on me. We got excited. Didn't want to run. I think I might back the island screw out on it.
Yeah, God, I think it's well.
Let's see here. Well, might have to end up taking that spacer out and try to put the carburetor right against the intake. Because it's not wanting to run. Lost her. Well, I pulled it loose here. I want to wipe lost her. I pulled it loose. Now. fuel tank over there for me. Watch it dump out. We have to take it adapter out.
Yep.
You all seen me take this off once, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it and shut the camera off, and I'll get right back. All this.
Okay.
We got the carburetor back on it. We got the fuel tank hooked up, battery hooked up to it. We're getting ready to see if it'll start up. We must have done something right. It's working now. Sounds real good. See how it starts back. Done a pretty good job cleaning the carburetor. Had a lot of stuff in it. One side of the carburetor stripped out too. We had to put nuts on them. We went in and put nuts on both sides to make sure it don't fall apart and we'll disconnect the battery now. Then we're gonna put we're gonna zip tie all the wires up it's hanging down and put the plastic back on it. If everyone likes what I'm doing here on this channel, please subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell in the bottom corner so you can see more future content. Thank you.